Okay, so my sister got home from work about 40 minutes ago. By the time I'm recording this, or like 30 minutes ago. And she bought me a whole jar of bullets and had fresh 12 packs. And this gun came in the fresh 12 packs. And I shot it in the house. I went from my gate and then shot it from the front door, and the gate to the front door is like probably about like 16 to 20 yards. It shot far. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Alright, I'm aiming near the truck over there. Where'd that? Yo, you saw where I was standing? And look where it went. This could focus. You see that orange and blue? Look. Dark. And that was over there. All the way over there on the right side of that gray stone. Like just over there where that chair was, and it got all the way over there. Alright, I'm gonna show you how goaded this gun is again. Alright, I'm at my house. And look. Where did that go? Okay, that's not the farthest I've seen it go, I think. But I was standing right there at the start of the truck right there. And look where it went. That's fire. Did I ever grab that one in the street? Yes, I did. I came out here with 5 bullets. Just to show an example. So, but isn't that crazy how far it goes? So I'm gonna start at this tree, okay? I'm gonna go for that dead tree. Yo, he got super close to that dead tree. Look. Let's go focus. You see that blue? Yep, that's the dart. That is crazy. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how goaded this little gun is from Nerf. I think I might sponsor them at this point. Without getting a paid promotion, I think I should just sponsor them. I really think I should. So, yeah. Sorry, I just went quiet like that. I was just thinking in my head how I would do sponsor. But it is going to be hidden maybe in the next video. I might. I am going to do it soon though. I am going to do it before September 1st, 2025. I think. Because these guns are goaded. And this is just like a small gun from Nerf. Like, you can't say this is bad. This is good. If, say you were in a Nerf war, okay? And then, there's one little gun, and there's all the big guns. Say there's 11 big guns and one little gun. You were the slowest out of all of them. And this was the little gun, and you grabbed the little one. Everyone has the big guns and saying, suck it, loser, you're gonna lose. You'll be the first one out. But then you realize how goated this is because you get one person out like 20 or 25 yards away. And then you just go ba-boom on everyone. and then you like, but it takes 2 shots to take all of them out, and you take all of them out. Well, you take half of them out in the first 3 minutes of the game, which is crazy. But then you have like 2 bullets left, and then you miss one person by a centimeter. But then they keep missing you because they're like the worst aimer in the group. And then you just grab all their darts. They shot 30 darts at you, and then you shoot them, and then you shoot them twice, they're out. And then you win the game in 7 minutes. Or no, not 7 minutes. You win the game in 5.5 minutes. I bet that would be the fastest you would ever be able to finish. So, yeah. And then everyone wants that little gun. Because they realize how good it is. So, you should get this gun. It is OP, bro. I gave you multiple examples. You see my front door right there? You see my front door? Yeah, you better see that. So, I was shooting at that front door from the back gate, which goes like another 50 feet, I think. And then I was able to shoot all the way. I'm just gonna shoot one more time. Let's see if I can hit the corner. So I dare all you guys that watch this video, if you have a Nerf gun, or if you're buying one currently, before watching this video or after, I'm trying to figure out why the start is being so difficult. But I'm serious. Just get a big gun first, and then get a little gun, and compare them. Specifically, compare this one to them. Wait, where'd that one go? Wait, no, I think I was, oh yeah, that thing. But yeah, that's why you should pick little guns over big guns sometimes. They're OP. And yeah, bye-bye.